Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a non-vegetarian recipe, and that is sweet corn crab soup. Okay. The other day I had prepared crabs, so there were a lot of these crab legs left. So I said I'll use them for preparing a crab soup. Okay. Um, yeah, do the lovely soup, tasty, and you love it. Okay. So do try that soup. I'll tell you the ingredients now. The ingredients for sweet corn crab soup. Okay, I have just cooked these crab legs here. This is the stock now that I will use for my soup. Fine. Here I have taken 1 cup corn paste. If you have fresh corn, you get that's very good, tender, fresh and tender. Otherwise, I have pressure cooked this now, and 1 cup of this corn I have made a nice paste out of this, and the half cup corn I've kept them full because you like to eat the corn while having the soup. Then I've taken 3 tablespoon corn flour. I'll be adding cold water and making a paste out of this. Then I've taken 1 egg. It's optional, okay? And this crab legs, I'll extract the meat out of this for using the soup. Now my stock is ready, okay? I will add this corn. Okay, now my cornstarch is ready with the cold water. I had mixed it. There are no lumps. Okay. Now I will add this to the stock here. Okay. Then this is that corn paste. I'll use a mixer for this. So this I will add now. Hmm. Corn paste is in. Corn paste is in. Now what else is there? Oh yeah, salt as per taste. Salt as per taste. Okay, now let this boil. What else? Now pepper. I'll be using black pepper, but you have to use white pepper if possible, so that you don't change the color. The color should not be affected. It should stay light color, right? Or like you see it in the restaurants. It's getting ready, and I'm just adding a little half teaspoon sugar. Okay, if there are kids in the house, you can add a little more sugar because they like it. Sweet corn. Even in the restaurants you go, the soup is a little on the sweeter side. Okay, but don't make it sweet. I've just added half a teaspoon. Now what is left is the egg. When this is boiling, I will add the egg. Hmm? Crab meat you can keep it aside and just serve when you are having the soup. You can see now the soup is nearly ready. It's nice on a boil. Now I've just beaten this egg. Okay. I will just add the egg slowly. Here. See this. One string. The soup should be boiling, okay? That's it. Yes, the soup is ready to serve. Eat it nice and hot. Sweet corn soup. Yummy. The aroma is even fantastic. I'm having sweet corn soup after a long time. Thanks to you, friends. I prepared sweet corn soup today. This quantity is for 4, okay? Now while serving, I will serve with the crab meat. And yes, of course, not to forget the sauces, famous sauces that go with this. I have chopped 2 green chilies and mix them in vinegar. Then I'll be keeping this soya sauce and this chili sauce for those who like it spicy. And that's it. These 3 will be accompanied while serving this soup. Okay friends, you can see my soup is ready. I'm adding the crab meat in this. Okay. Then the green chili with vinegar Yummy, I just love it in my soup. So I'm adding a spoon of that. Uh, then soya sauce, I'm not so fond of it, but just a drop. That's it. And yes, chili sauce. If you like your soup spicy, a dash of chili sauce. Hmm. That's it. I'll mix the soup and I go ahead with my soup. Okay, friends, the soup is ready now. Do try this soup. You will love it. I'm having my soup now while it's hot. Yummy soup. Do try this sweet corn chicken soup, crab soup. Okay, if you don't have crabs, you can replace the crabs with chicken also. And for my vegetarian friends, if you don't, instead of the chicken stock, crab stock I showed you, you make vegetable, just boil your regular vegetable soup. You take that stock, and the same, the procedure is same, just with the vegetable stock. Okay. Today I have used the crab stock. Okay. I cannot stop eating. So okay, it's a high time to say bye to you. And don't forget to like the recipe if you like this sweet corn crab soup. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Those who have not subscribed still, do subscribe to my channel. I promise you there are many more recipes I will be showing you. Easy to make recipes. And yes, if you have any feedback, you're always welcome. Though my friends are doing it, but I would like it if you would give me your suggestions, feedback. Bye. See you till then.